Simple and Profitable Ultimate Forex Scalping Guide and 1-Minute Scalping Strategy Explained. Make it happen with the winner's edge. Even if you're a complete beginner in trading, you must have come across the term scalping at some point. This video will provide you with all the basics behind the concept of forex scalping, as well as teach you a number of strategies and techniques. Discover what forex scalping is, how to scalp in forex, as well as reasons why you should consider applying scalping techniques. You will learn what kind of techniques are available to use, how to select the best scalping system for forex, take a look at scalping strategies and a detailed explanation of the 1-minute forex scalping strategy, and much, much more. Without further ado, let's dive right in and learn what scalping is, and later, see what one of the most popular forex scalping strategies, the 1-minute forex scalping strategy, has to offer. What is forex scalping? Scalping is a method of trading based on real-time technical analysis. When it comes to forex trading, scalping generally refers to making a large number of trades that each produce small profits. Rather than holding a position for several hours, days or weeks, the main goal of scalping is to make a profit in as little as a few minutes, gaining a few pips at a time. As we all know, forex is the most liquid and the most volatile market, with some currency pairs moving by up to 10 to 20 pips per day. Forex scalpers try to squeeze every possible opportunity out of these fluctuations in foreign exchange quotes, by opening and closing trades with just a few pips of profit. In other words, scalping the forex market is simply taking advantage of the minor changes in the price of an asset, usually performed over a very short period of time. Scalping is quite a popular style for many traders, as it creates a lot of trading opportunities within the same day. Its popularity is largely down to the fact that the chances of getting an entry signal are rather high. During the scalping process, a trader usually does not expect to gain more than 10 pips, or to lose more than 7 pips per trade, including the spread. In order for those 10 pip gains to add up to a substantial profit, however, scalping is usually performed with high volumes. This means many scalpers are not following the common 2% risk management rule, but are instead trading much higher volumes during their forex scalping sessions. By being consistent with this process, they can stand to benefit from stable, consistent profits. There are two different methods of scalping, manual and automated. In the manual system, scalpers need to sit in front of a computer so they can observe market movements for the purpose of choosing their positions. On the other hand, with an automated system, a scalper can teach a computer program a specific strategy, so that it will carry out trades on behalf of the trader. To learn more about pros and cons of scalping trading and best and worst times when to scalp, new Ultimate Profit Solution System coming Monday the 25th of May 2020. Click on the link below to receive advance notifications of the release. Click on the link in the description box below. Is scalping suitable for you? Deciding whether forex scalping strategies are suitable for you will depend significantly on how much time you are willing to put into trading. Scalping the forex market requires constant analysis and the placement of multiple orders, which can be as demanding as a full-time job. In addition, there are only a few hours a day when you can scalp currency pairs. After availability, the next most important thing is being able to think on the fly. For a scalping forex strategy to succeed, you must quickly predict where the market will go, and then open and close positions within a matter of seconds. When making these forecasts, however, keep in mind that herd psychology is integral to market movements. A perfect example of this is the sharp appreciation that certain currencies enjoyed amid China's expansion in the early 2000s. During the first decade of this millennium, both the Australian dollar (AUD) and the Canadian dollar (CAD) surged close to 40% against the US dollar. Australia and Canada are commodity exporters, which is why their currencies thrive when China enjoys robust growth. As a result, some forex traders take long positions in the AUD and/or CAD when China's economy is expanding rapidly. Did you know that Admiral Markets offers the ability to trade on currency pairs such as the AUD/CAD currency pair, as well as other popular currency pairings such as EUR, USD and USD, JPY? Additionally, Admiral Markets also provides forex traders with the opportunity to trade on exotic currency pairs such as EUR, CZK, GBP, PLN, NZD, SGD and many more. Start trading these currency pairs, along with thousands of other instruments, today. Aside from predicting market direction, investors interested in forex scalping strategies must be able to accept losses. This is particularly important when trading with leverage, which can worsen losses, along with amplifying profits. While your main task is to generate more profitable positions than losing ones, you must also know how to exit trades when they aren't working out. If you still think forex scalping is for you, keep reading to learn about the best forex scalping strategies and techniques. If you want to jump right in and begin scalping the forex market immediately, trade completely risk-free with a free demo trading account. Take control of your trading experience. Click the banner below to open your free demo account today. How to scalp in forex. Now that we have an understanding of the fundamentals of scalping, let's take a closer look at its practical application. In general, most traders scalp currency pairs using a time frame between 1 and 15 minutes, yet the 15-minute time frame doesn't tend to be as popular. Both 1-minute and 5-minute scalping timeframes are the most common. Try them out and see which one works best for you, if any. Your profit or loss per trade would also depend on the time frame that you are using. With 1-minute scalping, you would probably look for a profit of around 5 pips, while a 5-minute scalp could probably provide you with a realistic gain of 10 pips per trade. When it comes to selecting the currency pairs for your perfect scalping strategy, it is vital to pick up a pair that is volatile, so that you are more likely to see a higher number of moves. If you go for the currency pairs with low intraday volatility, you could end up acquiring an asset and waiting for minutes, if not hours, for the price to change. That being said, volatility shouldn't be the only thing you're looking at when choosing your currency pair. You should also look for a pair that is cheap to trade, in other words, the one that could provide you with the lowest possible spread. As a scalper, the spread will lie between 10% to 30% of your income and, of course, you would want this value to be as low as possible. To make this possible, you need to develop a trading strategy based on technical indicators, and you would need to pick up a currency pair with the right level of volatility and favorable trading conditions. After this, once you see an entry signal, you have to go for the trade, and if you see an exit signal, or you have come to a profit that is adequate, you may then close your trade. What is also important in scalping is stop-loss (SL) and take-profit (TP) management. While it is always recommended to use an SL and TP when trading, scalping may be an exception here. The reason is simple: you cannot waste time executing your trades because every second matters. You may, of course, set SL and TP levels after you have opened a trade, yet many traders will scalp manually, meaning they will manually close trades when they hit the maximum acceptable loss or the desired profit, rather than setting automated SL or TP levels. This is especially applicable for 1-minute scalping in Forex. Now let's focus on the spread part of the trading. Let's assume a broker has no commission attached to your trading account, but the spread on your USD is 2 pips on average. When trading one lot, the value of a pip is 10 United States dollars. This means your direct expense would be about 20 United States dollars by the time you opened a position. If you are looking for a 5-pip gain per trade, 50 United States dollars, this means that you would actually have to go up 7 pips from your initial starting price. 7 pips 2 pips spread equals 5 pips. If you do the math, you could see that it is nearly 50% extra. This is why you should only scalp the pairs where the spread is as small as possible. Another important aspect of being a successful Forex scalper is to choose the best execution system. Execution refers to the speed at which trades are executed, or the speed at which, once you say you want to enter a trade, the trade is actually opened on the live market. In volatile markets, prices can change very quickly, which means your trade might open at a different price to what you'd originally planned. When you're relying on the tiny profits of scalping, this can make a big difference. This is why it can be hard to be successful in scalping currencies if there is a dealing desk involved. You may find a perfect entry to the market, but you could get your order refused by the broker. The situation may get even worse when you try to close your trade and the broker does not allow it, which can sometimes be deadly for your trading account. This is why it is vital to choose a broker that offers STP or ECN execution, and is able to accommodate scalping. Apply your knowledge of scalping to the market and make it happen with a winner's edge. Trade Forex and CFDs on 80-plus currencies, choosing from a range of Forex majors, Forex miners, and exotic currency pairs, with access to the latest technical analysis and trading information. Trade the right way, new Ultimate Profit Solution System coming Monday the 25th of May 2020. Click on the link in the description box below now to receive advance notifications of the release. If you enjoy the video and found it helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell below for more insightful videos to come. Thanks for watching.